we'll see how to print pyramid, half pyramid in alphabetical form like this way. Suppose I say I want till 5 lines. So this is a half pyramid, that is in alphabetical form. So this you have to write every JavaScript code between script tag in head section of HTML or body section or as an external file. So I declared the variable. Now C, I had declared this variable C as 65. What do you mean by this? That is we can't, how we can write alphabet? Numbers we can increment by 1, 2, 3, 4. So according to Unicode, so there is a ASCII coding scheme where according to our keyboard the numbers are given some codes, that is called ASCII code. So for capital A, that is ASCII code is 65. So when we say 66, so it will print B and so on. So this is A, B, C, D, E. So when I say here, now C, here when I say C++, so it will become 66. So here we had used a function. So now I'll explain how this, so why this code is given 65 for capital A. If you want in small letter, then you can use 97. Then it will print all small letters after it. Now we'll see. So why this code is given 65 according to ASCII, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. According to our keyboard, alphabets are given some codes, number, that is, so that we can get a character from that number. So that is, this is called Unicode. So we will see now prompt is used to accept a string. So if we take, we want how many lines? Okay, suppose I want 5 rows of alphabet in 5 rows. So it will parse and it will immediately convert this string into number if you enter anything, and it will assign to n. Now these two loops are there. First loop is for number of rows and this is for what you want to print. So here first loop will execute only once, then it will go here. Inner loop will execute again and again till this condition is true. When this become false, then it will come here and then this will increment, then it will increment by 1, then it will check, then it will come here. Inner loop will again initialize by 1 and it will execute again and again till this condition is true. So we will see now. So I is 1 now, I is less than n. Suppose if we had accepted n value as 4, so how many lines I want? A, B, C, D up to 4 lines. So I is 1, 1 is less than equal to 4, yes, because n value, suppose we had to guess 4, I is 1. So 1 is less than 4, yes, then it will come below. Now J is 1, J is less than equal to I, because we want to print in triangle form, or you can say right angle triangle. So I want to execute, that is on first line only once I want A, next line I want 2 times. See this way, suppose I want 4 rows, n value is 4. Now here you can see that in first line only 1 character, in second line we have 2 character, in third line we have 3 and 4. So first loop will execute only once, that is J loop will execute only once, then J loop will execute twice, then thrice and fourth. So this way you can, this loop is used. So first time only once it will execute. Now J value is 1, J will check whether it is less than equal to I. What is value of I? 1. So 1 is less than equal to 1, yes. Then here document.write is used to print on the browser, that is output. Now in between, in this bracket I had used one more function, that is called from char code. So you have to remember this is a fix word, that is function, or you can say method of string object. So string object has many methods, many character. Now from char code, what it does, it converts, that is now C, what is the value of C? C is 65. So it converts Unicode into character, So what is a value at that character Unicode? So at 65 we have capital A, at 66 we have capital B, at 67 we have capital C, and so on. So here, and with space, plus means we want to add space after A and then C. I'll show you why this is used. Suppose, so this space, now this space between A and B, the space between C, D, so for that double quotes is used. So now what is from char codes, you have to write C capital here in char, and in code you have to write C capital, because that is predefined method of string object. So dot operator is used. So C, what is a value at C, what is a value at C, that is, this is Unicode 65, so it will convert that 65 into character. So from char code it converts Unicode into character. So what is the value at that 65 code, what is the value of 65 is A, capital A, then this is space, then J will increment and C will also increment. C will become 65 now, because it is it is 65, it will become 66. Then J will also become 2. 2 is less than equal to I, that is 2 is less than 1, no. Then it will come out. Next line BR, because now we had printed A, now we want to come next line, that is to print two character, that is B and C. Then it will go up, I will increment, it will become 2. 2 is less than 4 because n value is 4. Inner loop, again it will start from 1. It will check 1 is less than equal to 2, yes. Then it will print C value. What is the value of C? Now C had become, in previous execution C was 66. So what is the character at 66? So it will convert this Unicode into character. So we will get what is the character at that 66. So it from char code will convert Unicode to character. So we will get at 65, we will get answer as B. Then space will increment, and then this value will become 67, because previously it was 66, it became 67. J will increment, J will become 2. 2 is less than equal to 2 because I value is 2. Then it will print what is value of 67, that is C, because 65 we have A, 66 we have B, 67 we have C. So it will print C on second line with space. Then this will become 68. Then J will become 3. 3 is less than equal to 2, no. Then it will come out, BR means new line, means twice it had executed, on second line it had printed B and C. Then I became 3. 3 is less than 4, less than equal to 4, yes, because n value is 4, and now I is incremented 3. So 3 is less than equal to 4, yes. Inner loop J, again it will start with 1. 1 is less than equal to 3, yes. Then it will print what is the value of at 68, that is we will get D, means on third line we'll get first letter D with space. Then it will become 69. So it will go up, J will increment, 2 is less than equal to 3, yes. Then it will print E, because at 69 I think so, 65, 67, 68, 69, yes, 69 it will print that is A, B, C, D, 16 or 70. So this way it will go on printing by this. Now see, A is at 65. So in ASCII code there is, this is called in ASCII coding system. So this is at 65, B is at 66, C is at 67, D is at 68, then E is at 69, and so on. So why this? So we are printing character at that position, means converting, because from char code it converts that Unicode into character. So this way this loop will go on executing, and then it will execute, if we give n value 4, it will execute 4 up to 4 lines. So hope you understood. If you're subscribed, if you're new, subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.